In front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, select one of your passwords that you wish to delete, enter your screen lock and hit Delete button next to the added one. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!